Hi, beautiful people. I'm back with another video. I was supposed to be finishing this video, these locks, and I'm here with bad news because I can't. I can't finish it. You guys know I'm not a quitter, but this is one thing. No, for real, but no. I explained yesterday how it went installing these. It was challenging, and I came home to finish it. It's too much. So let me explain this. This is a small loop, and trying to get them on the back of my head is challenging. I think it's a cute look. I've had mixed reviews. Family members was like, it don't look like you. It's okay, because I'm getting ready to cut it out. And I just wanted to come back before you and let you guys know I gave up. I can't finish it. Things they don't tell you, that the loops are too small. Sometimes they can't fit. Like this one would have fit. I had to stretch it. So I took my time and I stretched it. But they may work. They may work for somebody else. But they don't work for me. The idea was nice. I was going to wear it for my trip. Now I have to change my hair plans. But thank God he graced me with the ability to work these hands, honey. Because she's going to be cute. But you guys, yeah. So I'm not a quitter. But it's unfortunate that this was a look. It was like it was an epic fail because, like, yeah, there was no way. And then it hurts a little bit. So trying to stretch this, like this will not go. So I may have a pack that I'm able to get into. I'm able to make the hole bigger. And the key is that you have to get this through here, right? It goes on this one. But this one, like where? Where? So you guys, so that's the reason for me not completing this look. Yeah, but so far, I mean, you see how the butterfly crochet hair looks. This is how it looks, and yeah, I'm over it. So I'll be cutting it out. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to remove it, okay? I'm just going to go to the root and cut it. I am not cutting my hair, and it's just going to come loose. Now, remember how I started. So, yeah, I'm going to cut these out, you guys. But thank you so much for watching. It's not for me. But I hope I don't cut my hair. Ooh. Yeah, it's not going to work. So, yeah, I spent hours doing this look. And, yeah. It's not going to work. Okay, so how to remove crochet. You just cut it at the base. And that's it. Now, if you have individual plaits, I do not recommend you do it this way. But my hair is going backwards. It's going back. So this is what I'm doing for that. If you have your braid pattern is different, you don't want to do that.